Welcome back. Let's do question 9C1. In the diagram alongside A, B, D, and the origin lie on the circle with center C. We managed to find the coordinates of C in question 9A. The coordinates of C are -3 and 4. Alright. And then the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y is equal to 0. Then the equation of the line AB is x minus 2y plus 21 is equal to 0. Right, determine the coordinates of AD. Right, remember that in question 9b, we managed to find the coordinates of A and B. We say that the coordinates of B are -7, 7, and then the coordinates of A, -3, 9. Okay, determine the midpoint of AD. Right, D is a point on the x-axis, so we can find the coordinates of D by making y equal to 0. So we're going to use the equation of the circle. Where there's y, we put 0. So it's going to be x squared plus 0 squared plus 6x minus 8, 0 is equal to 0. We remain with x squared plus 6x is equal to 0. Right, we can solve for x here by factorization. So x outside the bracket by factorizing, then x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to -6. Okay, x is equal to 0 means it's the point at the origin. And then means d here is going to be -6. But we need to find the y coordinate. And we know that the y coordinate is 0 because this is on the x-axis. So the coordinates of D are -6, 0. So now we need to find the midpoint of AD. We know the midpoint formula. Okay, midpoint of AD is going to be XA plus XD over 2, and then YA plus YD over 2. So it becomes the midpoint is -3 plus -6 over 2, and then 9 plus 0 over 2. Then what do you get? Midpoint of AD, -9 over 2 and 9 over 2. So these are the coordinates of the midpoint of AD.